All the nature update yan during groundbreaking ng bagong McDo ni Aden sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Congrats sa family Porterson at marami silang mabibigyan na trabaho sa McDo ni Aden. Ito yung sabi ni Aden.
Having this second branch of McDonald's store dahil it's been like 5 years already since our first branch, and nakakatuwa na talagang dito na rin ako makakapagtayo kung saan talaga ako lumaki, which is Santa Rosa. So, of course, with the support of Mayor and the GU and sa lahat ng mga magtatrabaho for this branch, we pray for their safety. We pray na sana mas mapadali at may buksan natin agad itong tindahan na ito para sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Santa Rosa. And I'm very grateful and very excited for this project, and I'm looking forward for the additional happiness that it's community. Kumpil wala pa. So there's a lot of memories here in this area, in this city. This is like a huge part of myself right now came from this city. That's why maganda. I'm very excited talaga and happy that meron tayong may tatayong branch ng McDonald's dito. So with that po, maraming salamat and good morning.
Thank you so
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para ma-update ko ang Nature Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.